Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So today, 17th of Jan, we are going to be discuss regarding the job openings on ServiceNow. So this is the very first job opportunity here. So they have the immediate opening for ServiceNow developer role. Role would be a ServiceNow developer and location would be the Chennai location, and it is face-to-face interview on 14th and 15th February. So experience they are expecting is 5 to 8 years of experience, and role would be a ServiceNow developer. So this is the job description here. They are provided like ITSM plus additional any module like HRSD, ITAM, ITOM, SPM. These are the skills and qualifications that they are expecting for from the candidate. So candidate must have full implementation experience with at least one ServiceNow product and strong programming and technical expertise, including advanced knowledge and ServiceNow scripting and API integration they are expecting. So if you are interested for this particular job opportunity, like you can go through this particular job description and you can apply to this particular mail ID. You can send your resumes to this particular mail ID. So coming to the next job opportunity here. Role will be a ServiceNow developer and location will be Chennai location. They are expecting 3 to 5 years of experience. So these are the skills and qualifications they are expecting here. So you can send your resumes to this particular mail ID if you are interested for this particular job. So go through this description and you can send your resumes if you are interested. Let's coming to the next job opening. So title would be a ServiceNow architect. Like locations are Columbus, Los Angeles, and mode would be the hybrid mode, and duration would be a long-term contract. This is the job description. So candidates should have strong background in design and developing custom applications and solutions of ServiceNow platform. They need pro code like JavaScript, AngularJS approaches. So they are expecting the skills like modules. The candidate should have experience in ITSM, ITOM, HRSD and others to meet business needs. So these are the particular skills they are expecting from the candidate. So if you have those particular skills, you can go through this job description and you can directly drop your resume to this particular mail ID, and you can also send your resumes through this WhatsApp number 214-271-8948. So this is the particular WhatsApp number. You can go through this particular WhatsApp number and you can send your resumes to that particular number. So coming to the next job opening, like a ServiceNow developer, and duration would be 12 months, like 1 year they are giving, and visa is independent. Location is Santa Clara. Remote is also an option they have given here. So these are the responsibilities: developing high quality and clean, scalable and reusable code, enforcing best practices like code reviews and unit testing they are expecting from the candidate. And these are the qualifications the candidate should have, like proficiency in Python and JavaScript, experience with SAP, EMS and install base, knowledge of SAP BRIM is a plus, and a strong foundation in data structures, algorithms, object-oriented design, and design patterns and performance considerations, strong analytical and design skills. These are the main skills they are expecting from the candidate. So you can send your resumes to this particular mail ID if you are interested for this job opportunity. Coming to the next job opening, like the role would be a ServiceNow developer. Experience is 8 to 10 years of experience, and modules like ITSM, CSM, CMDB, HRSD, ITOM, ITAM, ITBM discovery. So any 4 combination from these skills are mandatory they are expecting. And notice period they are giving a immediate joiner. They are so they are not providing any long term notice period. So if you have short term notice period and if you have these particular skills and experience from 8 to 14 years, you can be applicable for this job. So this is the particular mail ID. You can go through this description and you can directly send your resumes to that particular mail ID. So coming to the next job opening on ServiceNow developer role, it would be a Chennai location, and interview mode would be face to face, would be 14th and 15th Feb, and you can send your resumes to this particular mail ID. They have given for go through this job description. You can send the resume to this particular mail ID. So coming to automation testing jobs, location would be a Bangalore. Automation test engineer, Selenium the candidate should have. Location is Bangalore and Karnataka. So experience they are expecting is 5 to 8 years of experience. This is the company description, and these are the roles and responsibilities the candidate should have, and these are the required skills they are expecting from the candidate, like 5 to 8 years of experience in automation test engineer with Selenium, and deep understanding of Java, Selenium, Web API, strong problem solving skills and a proactive approach to learning. So these are the main skills they are expecting from the candidates. So if you have these particular skills, you can apply through this link they are provided here. You can go through this link and you can apply there, or else you can follow to this particular person, Akub Ali. So you can follow to that particular person and you can send your resumes to that particular person. So coming to the next job opening, automation test engineer Selenium in Bangalore location, Bangalore and Karnataka location, and experience would be 8 to 10 years of experience they are expecting. So this is also for the same company. Candidate should must have 3 to 5 years of experience in automation test engineer Selenium. So this is the same description they have provided here. If you are interested for this job opening, so you can go through this link and you can apply through that link, or else you can directly send your resumes to Vinita. Here you can follow her and you can send your resumes to Vinita L directly through LinkedIn channel. So coming to the next job opening, like candidate should have Selenium with Python in Pune location. They are offering for Pune location, and experience is 3 to 9 years of experience they are expecting from the candidate. This is the job description, like company details they have provided here, and these are the responsibilities and these are the required skills they are given for 3 to 9 years of experience in automation testers with Selenium, and deep understanding of automation testing experience with Selenium with Python, strong problem solving skills and proactive approach to learning they are expecting these skills. So if you have those mentioned skills, you can apply through this particular link they have given for, or else you can directly send your resumes to this particular person like Nikita Hele. So you can send your resumes to Nikita directly by following her. So coming to manual testing job, like they are looking minimum 2 years of work experience in manual testing. So if you are interested for this opportunity, like if you are interested in this opportunity, you can send your resumes to this particular mail ID. Coming to the next job opening on manual tester. So job title would be manual tester, and location is permanent remote, and start date would be immediate joiner to, like they are expecting notice period they are giving as 15 days, and salary hike they are offering 40% hike from the current CTC, and this is the job description. 0 to 2 years of experience as a manual tester, strong understanding of software testing methodologies and best practices, experience in writing and executing test cases, similarity with defect tracking tools like example Jira, Bagila, and good analytical problem solving skills, knowledge of agile methodologies is a plus, and excellent communication skills and attention to detail. So these are the main skills they are expecting from the candidate. If you have these skills, so you can send your resume to this particular link they have provided, or else you can send your resumes to this Rahul Janakar. You can follow him and you can send your resumes to that particular person. So coming to the next job opening on manual testing, like a job title would be a manual tester, location is permanent remote, and started they have given notice period like 15 days or immediate joining. Salary hike would be the 40% hike from the current CTC they are offering here. So 2 to 7 years of experience as a manual tester. These are the skills. If you have these skills, you can send your resumes to this particular link, or else you can directly follow Abhinav and you can send your resume to that particular person. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. Thank you.